Athikabu wa kanitha wa Katoreki aria maritie mari kaunti-ini ya Kisumu na ikundi itari cia githirikari ni monanetie kwa kuiganira kwao na maundu matiganite ta uria moimirira ma githurano twerekeire makarekererio o undu umwe na kūūria ciūria iguru ria muigana wa aruti wira a mūingī aria marikite kambeni-ini cia githurano kinene.
And those people who are having state jobs and are agents of the state, who are employees of the voter, must serve all the voters equally without appearing to lean on one side of any of the presidential candidates.
We call upon public servants to refrain from this behavior and implore on relevant government bodies to hold these public servants to account and deter these actions of impunity.
Kiumia kihituku komishoni ya IEBC ni yakire mageria mauria gatuma moimirira ma githurano twerekeire na njira ya mitambo na kwigucia kwayo kuonekete gugitumura ciuria.
Challenges that were witnessed with respect to the simulation exercise that was conducted on the 9th, it is our considered view that there are still hitches, especially with respect to results transmission, that if left unchallenged and unaddressed, then we potentially will have problems with results transmission in August 2022.
IEBC kuga kuri na ceceni imwe cia guikiria kura itari na mitambo ya internet ya 3G na 4G ni undu ungi ikundi ici irenda uthathaurwo wega kuri muingī.
For IEBC and other entities to disclose so that they are not ghost polling stations that are somewhere that would be used on the 9th August to generate results that are used to doctor the results of the elections.
Maundu macio mangia guthathaurwo athikabu na ikundi ici maugite atari nganja kiu ni kionereria na gitumi gia kuhe a Kenya nganja githurano kia mweri wa 8. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njetago Wanjiku wa Kimani.